Hi, good morning. My name is Jocelyn Vasquez, but I just go by Jocelyn. I currently live here in San Luis Obispo. Um, one of my favorite things to do when I have free time is go on morning runs because it wakes me up, it makes me feel good, and throughout the day I can just remind myself that I did something productive. The last stats class I took was my very first semester of college, which was the summer right after high school in 2018. It was at Hartnell College. It's the local Salinas Community College, and I'm very interested in study groups. My availability is Tuesdays and Thursdays after 3 anytime, and as well as Fridays. So, yeah, thank you.